Okay, here's an update halfway through installing the MST Tower. I had some troubles taking the old pieces off. There's screws attaching your water, your coolant tank. I tried to take this piece off here. Unfortunately, this screw would only spin on me. Can't seem to get behind it. Maybe I could if I took off a lot of other things. Then not having the proper tools to reach in here, that was a struggle. I might need to pick up some different tools today. It looks like a mess right now, that's for sure. But things are coming along. Just gotta finish some assembly. The light comes off this bike quite easily, which gives me a lot more room to work. There's just a few, I don't know what the pieces are called. It's almost like plastic screws you pop out and then this comes free. Here are some of the old pieces I could have replaced. The number of pieces I would have had to purchase, maybe $200 or $300 Canadian to buy these new pieces. But pieces from Aprilia seem to take over a year. So that's why I went with the new tower. Unfortunately, this thing cost me 1,100 Canadian, and to come from Italy, I had to pay duty, another another $200. So this unit is costing me $1,300. Not cheap, but I like the way it's bolting on down here. It should be completely solid after it's all done. I'll do another update later on.